Okay, so you have the board, and when you went to purchase the board, wherever you went, they should have also screws and washers to attach the board to the wall. So they come in little boxes like this. So you got the Wedi screws, there's 100 count in this box, and then you also buy, so you'd have to buy 2 boxes of these, because there's 100 in each box, and then you'd buy a box of 200 of the washers. So why they come like that, I don't exactly know, but your total is you'll need close to 150 or so by the time you're done a full shower unit. So once you got that, you got your screws and your washers. Now you'll notice that it's in a big container here. I bought 1,000 at a time. I go through these things like crazy. I'm using them on all my jobs, so it was less expensive for me to buy it this way. But if you're just doing 1 or 2, this is definitely a better way to go. So you get a box of the screws and a handful of each. What I do, just set them on my lap here, and this is the one time you actually get to sit down on the job. It's great. So you take the screw, take the washer, and just feed it through. Once it's through, you find a flat surface, set it down, and continue. So you do this over and over again until you're tired of it, because you need a lot of these. Now the good part is you don't have to space these nearly as close as, say, drywall screws. These things can be about 16 inches apart, which is a fair big distance. They say between 12 and 16 inches is the proper distance away from each other. You also want them on the edges. Obviously that's very important because that's where a lot of the holding power is. So do that until this whole board is full, because you'll end up using these and a bit more, but you start with having a bunch. And then when you're ready to put the screws on, you can just grab them, put them up, and there's no delay there. So that's how you get set up for the screws.